Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I have what was supposed to be a super exciting unboxing. The brand new Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 Model 14AHP10 Cosmic Blue color with the AMD Ryzen 780M and Radeon 780M graphics. But something unexpected happened, so I bought this laptop online through Shopee Indonesia, and when the package arrived, I noticed this hole in the box, and right away I had a bad feeling. And unfortunately I was right. There's a small dent on the top cover of the laptop. It's not catastrophic, but when you're unboxing a premium device, especially something this sleek and powerful, you want it to be perfect. Honestly, this might be the saddest unboxing I've ever done. Now, putting that aside for a moment, this is the Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 5 in Cosmic Blue. It's an incredibly well-built machine. You get a full aluminum chassis, 14 inches OLED WUXGA display with 100% DCI-P3, display HDR True Black 500, and TIV certifications for low blue light and flicker-free usage. Under the hood, it packs some serious power. AMD Ryzen 780M, 8 cores, 16 threads, 24GB DDR5 RAM, dual channel, 512GB PCIe 4.0 SSD, AMD Radeon 780M graphics, Ryzen AI NPU with up to 16 TOPS. You also get Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, a 60Wh battery, Dolby Audio stereo speakers, an FHD IR webcam with 2F sensor, and a solid I/O setup including dual USB-C with PD and DisplayPort. So inside the box we've got the laptop itself, of course, the charger, some paperwork, and that's pretty much it. Fairly standard. Design-wise, apart from the dent, I actually like the look of this one. It's got that minimalist, professional vibe, slim profile, relatively lightweight. But yeah, this is the dent I mentioned earlier. It's not huge, but definitely noticeable if you look closely. This dent kinda hurts, especially when you're excited about a new laptop with this much potential. I'll definitely be reaching out to the seller about this issue. Despite the disappointment with the packaging, I still want to test the actual performance. First boot was smooth. Windows 11 Home is pre-installed, and you also get Microsoft Office Home 2024 bundled in. The keyboard feels comfortable, the touchpad is wide and smooth, and the OLED screen absolutely gorgeous. Blacks are deep, colors pop, and the 16:10 ratio is great for productivity. So here's my honest first impression. The Lenovo IdeaPad Slim 514AHP10 is a beast on paper, and it looks stunning in person, especially in this cosmic blue finish. But the experience was definitely soured by the dent and damaged packaging. So yeah, this is probably one of the saddest unboxings I've ever done. But I wanted to share it with you guys exactly as it happened, because I think it's important to be honest, especially when it comes to buying tech online. I'll be running benchmarks and doing a full performance test in the next video, so if you're curious about how the Ryzen 780M and Radeon 780M perform in real-world tasks, stay tuned. Let me know in the comments if you've ever had a disappointing unboxing experience. And if you're thinking about buying this laptop, I'll give you all the info you need in the full review coming soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next one.